trouble. You made it all right. You made it all right.
That's great. Huge waves, that's what we came here for. Way up and over the top, down into a hole, and then who knows what's going to happen. We, the other people, thought it happened. Ran out of the bottom, in through the screen.
Okay, here we are at ABC. A few of the faint-hearted have pulled out, and here we have Aaron. He's portaging. Good old Aaron, he's portaging the first rapid of the day. Beautiful stuff. Bob, Sex Machine Sims. He's portaging, and he's going to do the rescue work for the others. Well done, Bobby. Here we have Alan Rubin on ABC at 10,000 megs. Oh, too easy, Al, too easy. Now I've got Rick, Coconuts Barn on ABC on the big Wednesday. He's into it. Oh, he pops through very easily. Well done, Richter. Here comes Aaron. ABC. Whoa, beautiful. Easy line. Well done. He walked back up. He had his boat out and he walked back up. Well done.